Alright, let's look at how to install a free proxy script called Glype on your local test environment. If you have not set up your local test environment yet, you can reference my other video tutorial. Now let's start the Internet Explorer and type www.glype.com. Okay, let's click the download now. The latest version is 1.1. Click that. You can download to your desktop. Save. Okay. Now you have a zip file on your desktop. Let's unzip that. So you will have a folder. Let's go inside and continue. You will see a folder called Upload that contains everything you need. So go inside and copy everything. Copy. Now let's go to your local test environment previously we set up under the C drive, XCMPP, and under this folder, htdocs. That's your document root. Right now we only have 2 folders. We can create another one. We can new a folder and call it my proxy. Okay, let's go inside and paste everything from the upload folder. Before you start to test your first proxy site, let's do one more step. Because Glype requires PHP and CURL, so we need to enable CURL from the PHP config file. How to do it? Let's go to Computer, C drive, XCMPP, and there's a folder called PHP. Go inside, and let's find a file called php.ini. So it's a PHP configuration settings. Edit that, and we can search CURL. Right now it is commented out, so let's remove the semicolon before it to enable it. Let's save it. Okay. Now you can start your local XCMPP. Let's use the control panel, double click, and let's start Apache server. Once you see this green bar with the message running, which means your Apache server is ready. Now let's open the Internet Explorer again. Let's type localhost / my proxy. Great! You can see the Glype proxy. It has a URL bar. Let's type www.facebook.com. Click Go. Excellent! You can see the Facebook website through your proxy site. Now let's try another one. Say www.myspace.com. Click Go. Wonderful! You see the myspace.com as well. Until now, you have successfully installed Glype on your local test environment.